Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to collaborate on Instagram. First, you have to launch your Instagram application. Instagram's new collab function has made working together more quicker and simpler. It's just a few easy touches. Instagram users can now co-author feed posts and reels. Both authors and companies are now easier to find than ever, thanks to the usernames in the post header. Thanks to this Instagram new color feature. To start, all you have to do is to click this plus icon, click allow again, and then look for a specific picture or video that you wanted to post or you wanted to tag someone for you to make a collaboration with. For example, this one. So all you have to do now is to tap this tag people. Once you tap this one, you can see the option invite collaborator. Okay, so tap this one and it will take you to the search bar. All you have to do here is to search for the person or the company that you want to be your collaborator. So let's just say I am going to search a specific person or CEO or owner of something like that. Okay, so all you have to do is to search a name here and tap that. But of course, unfortunately, I can't find someone as of this moment because I think these people or I cannot do this or I cannot have this feature first. Maybe I have to do something. I need to acquire something in order for me to get access to this feature. Okay, so but once you tap the person here or once you invite someone as collaborator, that notification or that invitation will appear to their notification bar or their notification option. Then they will see your name here, and all they have to do is to review and add the tag to their Instagram account. So in that way, they will be noticed that you added them or you invited them as your collaborator. And that's how easy it is to collaborate on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.